Want to start earning a real income online without quitting your job? Sick of fake get-rich-quick schemes that waste your time? In this video, I'm revealing 6 proven side hustles you can launch today. No advanced skills, no huge investment, just consistency. These are trending income streams that fit into your evenings or weekends and can grow into a full-time income from home. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Click the link in the description to download our free guide and start building your income today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we skip the hype and break down real side hustles that anyone can start. If you're stuck in a 9-to-5, tired of watching your bills pile up, or simply want a backup income stream, this video is your game plan. I've picked 6 beginner-friendly gigs you can start with under $60, use your existing skills, and scale to $1,000 or $500 per month. We'll count down from 6 to 1 with real earnings, launch steps, and pro tips to help you grow faster. Before we begin, click the link in the description to grab the free step-by-step guide so you can follow along and start earning immediately. 6. Pet sitting pop-ups. With more people working hybrid schedules, pet owners constantly need walkers and sitters. Apps like Rover and Wag let you earn $25–$60 per visit. Create a profile, add a friendly photo, and you'll start receiving local requests. Target high-paying categories like senior pets or overnight stays. Work just 5 jobs a week and you're making $400–$600 monthly, working flexible hours you control. 5. AI-powered content gigs. Businesses need captions, bio rewrites, newsletter intros, and AI tools make it fast. Use ChatGPT or Copy.ai to write 10 captions in minutes. List services on Fiverr or pitch directly to small brands on LinkedIn. Start at $15–$30 per small project and upsell Canva graphics for extra income. Offer bundles like 1 week of content for $99 and secure repeat monthly clients. 4. Thrift flip reselling. Flip thrift items into profit. Hunt for vintage shirts, lamps, or collectibles at flea markets, then sell them on eBay, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace. Items bought for $10 can flip for $60 or more. Take bright photos and write clean descriptions. Start with $50, flip 3 to 4 items weekly, and you can earn $500–$700 a month while learning what sells best. 3. Virtual event support. Online webinars and workshops are booming, and organizers need chat hosts, moderators, or basic tech support. You can earn $20–$45 hour and start small. Even free practice gigs count as experience. Then apply on platforms like FlexJobs or Indeed. One well-paid corporate event can earn $300–$500. Learn Zoom shortcuts or StreamYard basics and position yourself as a virtual event assistant. 2. Digital template selling. Create planners, trackers, resume layouts, or Instagram story templates in Canva and sell them on Etsy for $6–$25 each. You design once, but it sells forever. A single template can bring in hundreds of sales over time. Spend 1 weekend making 5 listings, and you could build a passive $400–$800 month income. Use keywords like minimal planner or editable social media pack to rank higher. 1. Home service matchmaker. You don't have to clean houses to earn from cleaning jobs. Connect homeowners with service providers and keep a 20–30% commission. Charge $100 for a cleaning job, pay the cleaner $70, keep $30 just for arranging it. Start with one service like lawn care or pressure washing and expand once you build a client list. With just 15–20 jobs a month, you can earn $1,000+ or without doing any physical work. Before you go, click the link in the description to download the free guide that shows how to turn these side hustles into a full-time income. Hit like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite hustle. Your financial freedom starts today.